After watching the video, read the following complex sentences and identify the independent and dependent clauses. Write them down separately. 1. Although it was raining, we decided to have a picnic. 2. When I finish my project, I will feel relieved. 3. Because he studied hard, he passed the exam. 4. If you arrive early, we can grab coffee before the meeting. 5. Since she enjoys reading, she visits the library often. Exercise. 2. Create your own complex sentences. Use the following dependent clauses to create your own complex sentences. 1. Although I was tired. 2. If it doesn't rain. 3. When the clock strikes midnight. 4. Because I forgot my keys. 5. Since they moved to the city. Exercise 3. Rewrite simple sentences as complex sentences. Take the following simple sentences and rewrite them as complex sentences by adding a dependent clause. 1. I went to the store. 2. She loves to dance. 3. The dog barked. 4. He finished his homework. 5. They played soccer.
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.